Right now, we're seeing an unusual sentiment score of -0.70 and a momentum of -1.00 in agriculture, indicating a sharp downturn that's strikingly worse than the historical baseline. This isn't just a minor fluctuation, it's a significant shift, particularly with 19 semantic clusters highlighting various distress signals in the sector. When you query our Agriculture Sentiment API, you'll get nuanced insights, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and detailed cluster analysis. Imagine you're developing a risk assessment tool for agribusinesses. You could use this real-time sentiment data to alert your users about potential supply chain disruptions or price volatility, allowing them to make informed decisions. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this data, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.